Guys, isa na namang bank foreclosed unit ang available dito sa Lancaster, New City. At alam nyo ba, no bidding basta walang kasabay. So kung matagal ka nang naghahanap ng budget-friendly house sa Cavite, ito na yung chance mo. Welcome sa Diana Inner Lot, located right here sa Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. May lot area na 51 square meter at floor area na 60 square meter. With 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath at may garage pa for 1 car. Perfect for small to mid-sized families na gusto ng tahimik at secured na community, pero malapit pa rin sa city life. Ang selling price niya ay 1,710,000 only. At take note, 20% down payment lang tapos 80% bank financing na. No bidding, no hassle. Basta walang kasabay, pwede mo na agad i-avail. Reminder lang, as is where is po ang condition at bank fee sa transfer of title ay hindi pa kasama. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, huwag nyo na hintaying maunahan. Ang mga ganitong unit, mabilis lang talaga mawala lalo na kapag under 2 million. May free house tour assistance kami, so message us now para ma-schedule namin kayo agad. This is Jean Puig. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!